Okay. Hi, friends. My name is Athira Girish. I'm here not to give you anything new, but to rethink what we know in a new and novel way. First of all, I will introduce what is Shespeaks all about. Shespeaks is an initiative of Venus campaign, whereas volunteer speaks on a topic, and also it is a platform for Venus campaign volunteer to improve their skills and knowledge. Nothing is too wonderful to be true. It is to be consistent with the laws of nature. Sorry, I forgot to present my screen.
It's okay, carry on.
Screen is visible, right?
No.
No. Now?
Yeah.
Pardon? Hello?
Yeah, it is visible now.
Okay. Electrical engineering is under a significant paradigm shift. Ambitious research and development departments all around the globe are working towards better ways to obtain, store, and use electrical energy. Despite significant strides in the past year, the electrical engineering industry is not showing any signs of slowing down. Some of the most noteworthy industry trends you should watch out. So, our emerging fields: renewable energy, power communication, electric power generation, power quality and power electronics, electric traction, fuels and battery, smart grids, electrical vehicles, wireless power transfer, wireless wearable tech, artificial intelligence, prefabricated products, energy saving lighting technologies, automated client relationship and project management, the Internet of Things, increased use of drones, robotics. At last, wrap up. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy is the energy which is generated from natural resources. That is sun, wind, rain, tides, and can be generated again and again as when required. They are available in plenty and by far most the cleanest source of energy available on this planet. For example, energy that we receive from the sun can be used to generate electricity. Similarly, energy from wind, geothermal, biomass from plants, tides can be used to fulfill our daily energy demands. So there are many different forms of renewable energy there. There is renewable energy resources like solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, heat energy, and biomass. Then renewable energy sources. We know that 70% of energy comes from fossil fuels. Because of the dependency on fossil fuels will cost us dearly and a lot. So there is need of renewable energy to compensate the energy requirement of the developing countries. So therefore, there are some resources which are required to explore and develop so that cost of energy will be less. So we can see a detailed description about what is renewable energy, why do we need renewable energy, why don't we get all our electricity from renewable energy. And there is solar energy, tidal energy, hydrogen fuel cells, geothermal energy, hydroelectric energy, and all. Next, new transmission technologies. So we can see the picture that is HVDC light, that is high voltage direct current, which uses direct current for bulk transmission of electrical power. High voltage overhead transmission, that is its voltage up to 1100, and it's a high EM radiation and noise, all that. Gas insulated cables or transmission lines. So coming to robotics, we all know what is robots, and now robots are becoming more useful in many fields. So robotics is a multidisciplinary area that combines electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and computer science. Areas includes embedded programming, control systems, automated decision making, and power electronics. So while robotics-based technologies are often critical for stealing people's jobs in most industries, it's a different case in electrical engineering. Robotics significantly helps to improve safety. For instance, remotely controlled wireless underground cable cutters can be used instead of putting humans at life-threatening risk. And increased use of drones. So we can see during the pandemic, there is an increased use of drones. So there are three key use cases of drones in response to COVID-19. Because first one is lab sample pickup and delivery and transportation of medical supplies, aerial spraying, public space monitoring, and guidance during lockdown and quarantine. So when you think of drones, often you probably think of entertainment industry, shooting music videos and movies. Well, the application of drones goes far beyond the entertainment industry. A recent survey on 7 business sectors has shown that the engineers or construction industries use drones the most. Did you know that leveraging drones can increase safety on a construction site by 55%? Electrical engineers are using drones to examine certain hazardous electrical zones without putting themselves at risk. This provides much needed safety in the electrical engineering industry. Furthermore, drones are now helping to record, collect, and analyze data at the job site, thus increasing productivity and efficiency. The second one we are familiar with the most, why you can see on the marriage functionals. Artificial intelligence. If artificial intelligence has penetrated large industries like garments and medicine, surely the electrical engineering landscape cannot be expectation. Electrical engineers are expected to do much better with AI. By blending their powers and skill with the know-how of AI and machine learning. Electrical engineers are contributing to the following, like create complex algorithms for data interpretation, generate new codes or revamping existing codes, build massive AI and machine learning platforms, develop comprehensive strategies in the field of electronics. Most notably, artificial intelligence is going to help the electrical engineers with image processing. Yes, electrical vehicles are coming with very trendy thing. Like an electrical vehicle is a vehicle that use one or more electric motors or traction motors for propulsion. Tesla recently hits a 100 billion milestones, making itself the first publicly listed US car maker in the history to do so. This is a good sign that electric vehicles have come to stay. Experts predict that by 2013 there would be over 125 million electric vehicles on the road. Considering the millions of EVs that are already roaming the streets, this is not so much of a long shot. Many EV manufacturers are investing hard into the tech, and consumers can accept better batteries, improved charging tech, more accurate autonomous driving, solar-powered EVs, and even electric planes. EVs include, but are not limited to, road and rail vehicles, surface and underwater vessel, electric aircrafts, and electric spacecraft. Smart grids. In response to demands, most energy departments around the world are placing smart devices throughout their network, right up to customers' homes, offices, and factories. The smart grid collects valuable data to allow both consumers and suppliers a higher degree of control over multiple power sources. It also enables them to predict surges in usage and instantly detect outages. It also enables them to predict surges in urge and instantly detect outages. By allowing end-to-end communication between distribution site, power plant, and the end user's electrical point of presence, smart grids significantly raise efficiency and reduce cost. Soon it's inevitable that electrical engineers will frequently come across smart grids and are asked to help develop one. As Tesla plans next generation electric vehicle batteries, focus is turning to lithium ion. Why? Not the lithium ion that has been the fundamental chemical engineering science powering EVs to date. Elon Musk, car company and GM, among other auto companies, want much long-range and more durable battery cell. New battery technology is possible, allowing cars to go 400 miles or more between charges and last as long as 1 million miles. That could spur EV sales the same way the first 1 lakh mile warranties on gas cars once did. Eliminating the rare, expensive, and controversial element, cobalt from batteries is among the biggest aim. Prefabricated product. So, electrical prefabrication includes different prefabs, which include lightning fixtures, hanger cables, conduit bends, outlet boxes, electric boxes, assemblies, pre-cut wires. So, the use of prefabricated and pre-assembled electrical components is increasing. While they significantly bring sustainable cost savings, it seems electricians are not happy with the trend. Electrical engineers are concerned that this threatens their role. Prefab product guaranteed one union electrician. They don't need us for that. A monkey can do that work. Some also argue that prefab increases the safety of electrical engineers, their efficiency, and ultimately compensates for the industry labor shortage. Wireless power transfer. Wireless power transfer in its primitive stage, but the future is bright. In 2020, we expect better wireless charging for laptops, smartphones, earphones, and other smart devices. Shortly, however, we expect much more. Soon, wireless charging will also become the standard for electric cars. Instead of the large charging docks, drivers will be able to park on a charging spot without needing to plug in. Experts predict that a few years from now, it will also be possible to charge your electric vehicle while it's moving. Energy-saving lighting technologies. Gone are the days when LED bulbs were only for those willing to pay the top dollars. LED lamps are becoming the standard de facto light bulb. Today, with prices as low as $2 per bulb or even less, LED bulbs are now a possibility for the average consumer. Due to their energy-saving capabilities, the bulbs pay for themselves in a matter of months. On average, they can save each household $50 to $100 per year in utility bills. With more advances in smart technology, those lights are expected to become even more efficient and easy to install in the near future. So, coming to our last topic, that is the Internet of Things. Internet of Things embeds many different areas of the electrical engineering landscape. From smart grids to smart lighting and visible light communication, among many others, Internet of Things is now intertangled with the electrical engineering industry. As a result, it's now imperative that every electrical engineer becomes the Internet of Things literate. Apart from the smart grid benefits like monitoring, distribution, and automation implemented in electrical utilities, IoT application in the field of electrical engineering energy also include smart inverters, advanced metering infrastructures, remote control operation of energy consuming devices, and all that. So, coming to the conclusion part, electrical engineers have a lot on their deck, and we can't wait for all these awesome innovations to reach their full potential. These trends will lead us toward the future, when the lights never go out unexpectedly, a world whereby everything is more comfortable, efficient, and adorable. So, friends, be prepared to ride the cycles and trends of life. Success is never permanent, and failure is never final. Thank you.
Uh, Thank you, Adira. It was such a wonderful session given by you. I hope everyone liked the session a lot and got to know various trends in the electrical field. Yeah, thanks you again for this such a wonderful session, and thank you all for your participation. Thank you.